Stony Brook 8th grader Saketh Jonah Lagata will be heading to Washington, D.C. for the National Geography Bee. But first he was surprised by his classmates, school officials, and representatives of the Massachusetts Geographic Alliance to celebrate his victory. Jonah Lagata said he spent 7 hours a day during the summer to prepare for the state competition. Still, he thinks the extra studying proved fruitful in school as well as during the contest.
It certainly helped with history a lot, because in history a lot of geographic locations are mentioned, and it was very, I could understand the events that happened in the places since I knew where they were.
Although it's still unclear what career path Jonah Lagata will take, Bridgewater State geography professor Vernon Domingo believes he has a bright future.
His ability to think spatially will help him wherever he goes, whether it be architecture, whether it be medicine or whatever. He's able to think spatially and think about human beings as individuals, as groups, and how they interact. That will really be an asset to wherever he goes in life. He has a great future ahead of him.
While Jonah Lagata will face much stiffer competition in Washington, D.C. than he did at the state and local levels, he still believes a top 10 finish or better is within the realm of possibility. For Westford Cat, I'm Patty Stalker.